Hare Krishna. So when the cows have left the goshala in Tobul, when the milking has been done, it is a time for cleaning the goshala. Every day, like that. Very peaceful. There is no cows. So it's more easy to clean the goshala. There are about 40 cows here. And one devotee here is taking the cow down and cleaning everything like that. When the cows are coming back, they will have a very nice place. It looks very insignificant service, but actually it's very important because to make the place of the cow very clean is very, very important. And here we have a lot of cow dung mixing with straw can be used for agriculture, of course. Hare Krishna. And here, also goshala, we have the main entrance of the complex, the temple, with Loktak Lake here. And of course, at the end we have the temple of Radha Damodara. Hare Krishna.